Alright guys, let's make another spiral ham, but this time let's make it all uncovered. I'm going to smoke it overnight, 5 hours. If you see my other videos, I'm pretty good at making hams, so stay tuned. Let's smoke this baby, double smoked. You're going to trip out on the price. Look at this thing. Freaking Thanksgiving's a rip-off, man. It's a scam. So everything's cheaper. It's not in season, obviously, but yeah, here's a spiral ham. All right, for starters, I'm gonna go with that pineapple juice. You guys already know what's up. Let's go in with some pineapple slices right in here. But yeah, we're gonna just coat this a couple pineapples. We'll save this juice for a glaze. Let's go in with our honey now. We're gonna go in pretty thick with this honey. This is gonna give it a nice mahogany color. But yeah, just coat this. I know you're thinking this thing's gonna burn, but because the temperature is so low, it won't. So now the next step is we're gonna do our seasoning. Tahini, obviously, you guys already know. Heavy on the tahini. I'm doing this with my left hand, so bear with me, guys. All right, there we go. All that in there. Now we're gonna go in with our brown sugar. I'm gonna go heavy on this as well. So just gonna open this up a little bit more. Just keep packing it. Oh yeah, it's almost like sand, you know? Just keep packing this thing. And yeah, you're gonna get a little messy with this thing. Who cares? Let's stick with an OG garlic salt. And we're going to pack that in. All right. This is creating, see, what you're not understanding is this is creating a really good bark and crust. Paprika, just for some more color. We're not using mustard on this one, so you can skip the mustard. We already did the honey. Hit it with some paprika. Turn that baby around. Wait till you see this thing after 5 hours of smoke. You think I'm playing? I ain't playing. This thing's gonna be great. Here's one last tip. After you've seasoned everything, you have all your pineapples looking good, I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of oil spray just to kind of seal that in. Beautiful. I'm gonna throw this in our smoker next. I'm gonna set our smoker to 235. 5 hours. Perfect. Our wood chips in here. You want to do 2 batches. I already preheated this thing, so you can hear it sizzling already. And like I said, I put 2 batches of chips. That way I don't have to do it again. And I just like to soak these in water for about 10 minutes and then drop them in. That's it. You already know. Woo! We're gonna go straight and get some water, and we're gonna be using just water today for our water pan. It's gonna keep our ham nice and moist throughout the cook, so 1 water bottle will do. And we're gonna be taking off this top tray here. Ooh, it's hot. Pretty hot already, so I'm gonna just use a little paper towel here. Barely fits in here, but it's gonna fit. All right. Damn, son. That shit is looking good. Give you guys a close-up. Fucking playing today, guys. Look at that shit. Woo! Just wait till this bad boy's done. We're gonna close it up and then go make our glaze. All right, we're gonna be doing our glaze now. So we're gonna go in with some pineapple juice. We're doing some of that honey. Good amount of honey for this glaze. Probably about a cup of honey, honestly. A little packet that it comes with. We're gonna use this thing. I'm not gonna be using butter this time, guys. I feel like butter's good, but sometimes it kind of reduces it too much. We're going for that tacky feel. You know what I mean? I'm gonna add some brown sugar to this mix. But roughly about 1 cup of sugar. Put paprika in here. Love paprika. This wood fire garlic. Just a little bit I know it's kind of dark colored, but that's what we want. It's gonna be nice and thick. We're gonna let this thing reduce. This is smelling really good. Let that cool down. We have our glaze nice and ready. Look at that color though. I'm gonna hit it with some glaze right now. Nice and tacky. So here it goes, guys. Throw this glaze right on top. And after this, we're just gonna let it set and then we're going to bed. Dig in here a little bit. And let it ride. All right, it's the morning now. It's 3 a.m. Let's check on this thing. Ho, ho, ho. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that thing. Man. Let's get a closer look. Okay, so I threw out some of the juices. Kept most of them pretty much. Put a little glaze on top. Make it shine, you know? But that thing is amazing. Look at this thing. Proud of this one. Money shot. See that bone sticking out? We're gonna give this a try. Let's get a little piece. Ooh, this thing looks so good. That's right. Now that's a glazed ham, dude. Like and subscribe.